Whether you want to uncover the secrets of the universe or you just want to pursue a career in the 21st century, basic computer programming is an essential skill to learn. At POLYMATH Kids, with our coding roadmaps, we can help your child to learn and advance their coding skills. We have modules and courses designed for every age group, so they can learn at their level. Our online live classrooms offer expert teachers that provide your kids with the critical and highly in-demand 21st century life skills they need. Plus, with our coding roadmap courses, your kids will not only learn how to code, but they will also learn how to earn in the future and start their own coding endeavors. With POLYMATH Kids, you can rest assured that your child's screen time is being put to good use. Our courses are designed by subject matter experts who are passionate about making learning fun and engaging for all students. At POLYMATH Kids, we foster kids with project-based and activity-based learning. And with all the hundreds of projects and activities, your kids will learn everything they need to know to become a coding pro. Our courses cover a wide range of topics, from basic coding concepts to advanced techniques like game development, app development, web development, AI and data science, and graphic designing. Kids will learn how to build websites, games, and apps and have fun while doing it. So why wait? Book your free trial now and unlock your child's coding potential with POLYMATH Kids. Visit our website to learn more about our roadmap, modules, and courses.